This is a day in a life of a forex trader who is not yet profitable, but strongly believe that one day he will become a profitable trader. And in this video, I'm going to share some interesting parts of my life with you. Yes, this is me. I just woke up from bed and I was like, why not? Let me shoot this content. And of course, I have to hit the body to keep the day going. I used to go to the gym, but where I am staying right now is very far from the gym and I cannot go. So I have to improvise with this. So yes, I do some push-ups and a quick squatting. Then I do some diamond push-ups for the chest. Of course, I do some diamond push-ups and regular push-up, and that's it. Then I kickstart my day. Of course, this is a fresh graduate. I am a fresh graduate in town currently, and the joy alone is overwhelming, right? So yeah, this is me walking to the stage as my name has been mentioned to come for my scroll. I'm walking kind of majestically and there's some tension in the walking. Yes, I just took my scroll and I'm moving around. Look at me, I'm going to greet. Look at that greeting. It wasn't a full one, it was something else. But yeah, there's a joy in it because spending 4 years in a university, it was some way for me. But yeah, I managed to go through, and you all know what the next part is just about to start. For the next few days, I am going to be uploading more content in relation to this forex trading because there is nothing to put me back again. Now it's time to go more into forex, and yes, school will not be a hindrance anymore. If you've been following the channel for a while now, I've stopped producing content and I've stopped trading for so long because I've been going through a lot on campus and I have to improvise. Yeah. So yeah, after waking up and doing my workout session, this is what I do. I've had a course that I've been studying. Yes, a lot of you know I've been studying this forex trading for so long now, and most of you still wonder why I am not profitable. Yes, I'm not profitable because I haven't committed so much time to this. I've been studying on and off, do this, do that. Like, it's just full of multitasking stuff for me. But right now, I think I have some months ahead of me before I start my national service, which is rotation for nurses. So yeah, after everything I have to go through and learn, once I watch the video and learn something new, I quickly go onto the chart to see what I've learned. Is it applicable on the chart? So this is me going through the chart and coming back to the video to be sure whatever I'm doing is right. Now, I have done some application. I was just checking to be sure if it's successful, and that is it. At this point, your guy is hungry and I need to get something to eat. That was like 11 to 12. I have to go get this egg and get it started. Like, I'm not a chef. I don't know how to cook. I just manage my own way to get something into the stomach. Yeah. So I got some bread, egg, and some, should I say tea or some hot water? I don't know. Yeah. I'm back to my screen and I'm coming to multitask again, eating and learning or studying the charts, or my course at the same time. Let's see how it's gonna go. That's me taking a bite of the egg in a bread. Yeah, it is good actually, but like I said, I'm not a chef, so anything that can satisfy me and keep me on my toes to work, yes, I'm good with that. So yeah, that is it. I'm studying my charts actually. That's the main thing I'm here to do. Make sure I also protect my eye with my blue block lens. Yes, if you're using a computer or you are a trader, you're using your chart, please make sure you protect your eye. It's very important. In this aspect, I'm speaking as a nurse, and yeah, it's very important for you to take care of your eye as well, because without your eye, you cannot see the world. You will not come and borrow my eye to see the world, obviously. So yeah, you need to protect your eye. And yes, I'm still on a chart. There are some things that I'm learning. Obviously, there are new things that I've seen, and I have to take my time to study them very well so that I can apply them in my work. Okay, so yeah, I've spent few time on this lesson. This particular lesson that I've taken and I'm going through. I spent a couple of hours reading and also watching videos in relation to it. And I think very soon I'll start releasing content in regard to all this. So right after studying and stuff like that, I have to go back to reading my book. And this book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I have other ones over there, but yes, one at a time. I'm almost done with the Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This is like almost the third time I'm reading this book. Yes, Repetitive exposure leads to reinforcement. So yes, I have to just go through and read over and over again. So yeah, it's good to read book. When you read book, it kind of opens your mind. It broadens your mind to see other stuff in what you haven't kind of had no idea about, right? So I'm basically doing that. And after that, I close the docket on the reading. And yes, basically, that is a typical day in my life. And I hope you do enjoy this. And I'm hopefully going to see you in my subsequent video. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of this family, because we are about to document a whole journey right here on YouTube. I've been putting off recording videos lately for one reason, which is the fact that I am not where I want to be at the moment. I want to become this kind of big forex trader and stuff before I start uploading more content in relation to my lifestyle and stuff like that. But right now, I think it's better I take you off from ground zero to wherever God wants to put us, right? So I'm going to start uploading content in relation to the day in my life and all the basic stuff I go through. And I promise you, it's all going to be 100% real, no faking, no BS. That is it, no BS. Like how it is, that is how it's going to be. That's how you're going to see it. This is going to be me, Godsway Amuzu, and forever Godsway Amuzu that you'll be seeing on the channel. I hope you will be part of this journey. And if you would like to be part of this journey truly, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified in my next video. Bless up.